Okay, guys. There is a dead bird inside of this container. So don't be alarmed. Don't get scared. It can't hurt you because it's dead. If it's dead, it can't hurt you. So I'm gonna open it up right now and show you the dead bird. Oh no, side. It's alright, don't get scared now. I don't want you guys to get scared of this. It cannot harm you. You can't jump at the camera like this and try to harm you. It's dead, so it can't do that. But it's a dead bird. I found it early this morning. Probably about, I don't know, close to 3 o'clock or something this morning. I don't know. But, yeah. I found that early this morning. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know how it died. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below what you think might have happened to it. See you later. Bye.